YouTube. This is my friend Simo. And you see, over the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing a lot of work to it. So I thought maybe it might be fun for y'all to come along with it. If you get a chance, go ahead and go down lower and subscribe to the channel. That way you can keep up to date with what I do with this old girl. Right now she's in here for a new rear end and a few other odds and ends. We're going to try to upgrade a few little things, stuff like that. And then, as soon as that rear end right there gets in here, we're going to go back to work on this. Now, the old girl is dirty right now, but we'll bring her back to life. How's that sound? Yeah, my old shop is dirty. Hell, I'm dirty. But we're gonna make the best of it. So today I just got it in the shop. I don't know if you can tell it, but here in West Kentucky it has been raining for 2 days now. It's flooding everywhere. Hell, it took me 2 hours to get home from what should have been a 10-minute drive. But that's made things interesting. Need to say she is two-wheel drive because it is bagged. And just for fun, it also has an open bed underneath this bed cover. Oh, I should probably mention, it's a dirt driveway to get back here. So, yeah, I done a little mudding on the way back here. But that's okay. We're gonna get her cleaned up, get the bed off of it hopefully tonight. I'll fix to go over here, get the oven cleaner and oven clean the living hell out of this axle, get her cleaned up, ready for the 3-link tabs to get welded on. I've got a whole new gas tank cross member, like I said, lots of stuff. So stick around, hopefully you like the show.
Sweet wine. When I felt a chill like a ghost dropping down my crooked spine. But once in my decades in life, a second through me like a knife.
All the wiring undone, air hoses undone, safety line back here for the uh-ohs. We like, what, bed bolts and wiring for taillights. Good time to take these things in port.
tonight. Tell me when you're ready, 'cause I'll be the shadow that dances with you through the night. Oh, and tell me when you're ready, 'cause I'll be the shadow, I'll be the shadow, I'll be the shadow that dances with you through the night. Through the night, through the night, through the night.
So I had some trouble with audio tonight. I'm going to probably change cameras around a little bit more. I've got a better microphone, so I'm going to try that. But the point of the matter is, me and my buddy Daniel got the bed off truck tonight. After it was off, we found more issues than anticipated, but at the same time, it's stuff that I had already planned to fix, so it's kind of, it is what it is, you know. The cross member for the gas tank obviously is less than perfect. Let's go with that. It's a nice way to put it, right? And the gas tank, of course, is complete foobar, but I knew that. I threw a drive shaft a couple months ago, and it pretty much went all the way through the side of it. So, yeah, I've got a new gas tank for it, new cross member, new rear end, blah, blah. But keep an eye out for long. I'll have more videos up, a little more work done. I'll start wire wheeling and sanding down the frame here before too long. Plan on painting it before I put everything back together. And well, I hope you like the progress so far. I know it's not much, but I've been home off of a boat for less than 12 hours right now. So I'm kind of tickled. Got that done. Got to see some family today. But till next time, y'all take it easy.